We are a company that provides computer-aided drafting solutions to companies ranging from any size of very small to very large. Our customer base is located anywhere from locally in the Jefferson County area to Rochester, where we have large clients out there, Syracuse, as well as down in the New York City area. I'm Thomas Brennan. I am the owner of CAD Facilities Services Inc. Our name pretty much says it all, CAD and Facility Services. We do the CAD work. We also do the other things that help people plan their space, make their space more productive.
You got a CAD drawing, and then each one of these CAD drawings has data attached to it.
We've got about 12 people working in the building in various capacities for that, and the most expensive asset that any company has is going to be their buildings. So if a company has a very accurate space inventory, is what we call it, then they can actually make decisions which are informed, saying, okay, I know I have got this much room here, these places are unoccupied, these places are over-occupied. So that's the value. It all comes down to dollars, and that's what we started doing. The irony of it is the bulk of what we do right now is related, but it's actually not in the space side, it's actually in network documentation side. Imagine, if you would, right now a server room. You have rack upon rack upon rack and refrigerated floor. Well, something has to track that, and the software that we use here tracks essentially every rack. You'd basically get a photorealistic view of the back of a rack, and you'd see all the ports, all the patch panels, all the information that's back there, and there's intelligence on each particular entities, even down to the power consumption. That way the actual customer can then query that rack and find out what its power usage is, and also what the connectivity is of the individual components. So once again, same kind of a thing, CAD attached to a database system, only now it's tracking assets in a network environment. We also provide computer-aided drafting training, AutoCAD training. A friend of mine, Kirk Gilchrist, and I started the company. I had the technical know-how, and he had some capital. I purchased the company and incorporated it in 2004, and so I've actually been the owner of it since then. The prevailing wisdom when we first got here is we were crazy to try. It was doomed to failure. You can't do that here. Why would you do this in the North Country? And a lot of real negative, pessimistic stuff that you'd hear from people. It's the simple fact that you can do technology in a place like DePaulville. It really came at a good time, because what's happening right now is many people are looking to outsource technology services. We can pay a person a very good wage here for the area, and yet it's going to be a whole lot less than it would be in New York City or something, or comparably. It's a up-tempo, optimistic place to work, and people enjoy it. There's a ton of work to do. There's a ton to do, so we keep going.